Destiny, where we talk about ministry, mentorship, and modeling. And today, you guys have the opportunity to see just a little bit of the behind the scenes of my 12-week course. And today, we have a special guest. We have Miss Kennedy here. She's going to be my student today, and she's going to show you guys just a snippet of some of the stuff that we're going to learn. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Good. What is one thing that you got out of today in the course being, or the course topic being confidence? What is that you got out?
I learned to be more confident when I'm walking.
Okay. So what is one thing, one skill that I taught you today that you can remember that will demonstrate being confident?
Your shoulders back and your head up.
That's right, girl. So it is very, 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 very important that when you are walking, that you make sure that your shoulders are back and your head is up, because it does elongate your body. It does allow you to become more present in any atmosphere, any room that you are in. You never want to be, have your shoulders hunched over or your head down, because it does look like you may not be as confident. It may not be the case, but you want to make sure that you're demonstrating yourself in your greatest light and your most confident self. And that's another reason why our mantra is reveal the light within, because one thing is the light within you is Jesus. And we always want to make sure that we are looking like Jesus, period. So the scripture says, let your light so shine that men may see your works and glorify your Father in heaven. You always want to make sure that you are best representing yourself and best representing the kingdom. And you can do that even with modeling. So that's what we have for you guys today. Thank you guys for tuning in to our channel. She just been a part of the channel. This is Danielle's Destiny. We will see you guys on the next time. Peace. Take 3. Put that or your perspective of what a confident person is in your walk after we talked about it, or would it have been better before you, I don't know, I'm trying to ask you.